if you commit yourself to the understanding that whatever you put your mind to, whatever visualization or belief, whatever goal that you want to achieve, if you shift your mind into a win-win scenario, there's not going to be a loss. Like, don't even consider the what ifs. Don't even for a moment, and this is a major key when it comes to manifesting. And understand, this is a faith based principle. This is literally like there's a scripture. Hold on, y'all. I'll refer to a scripture really quick. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Okay, 2 Corinthians 5:7. So even when it comes to biblical scriptures, the Apocrypha, the Geneva, like all these spiritual blueprints that we're given, is further insight into why metaphysics is so powerful. All right. So if you're wanting to create a particular outcome in your life, you want to have success, you want to have your life on autopilot in a sense where you don't have to be concerned about how things are going to be taken care of, especially for the ladies. All right. You don't want to be toiling. Okay. You don't want to be out here trying to hustle. Okay. No hustling hard. Okay. You want to be able to exist in your feminine energy, take care of your responsibilities, but not overwork yourself. Okay. You're going to have to recalibrate your mind, delete all that programming that you had, and it's going to take some time, but this is where affirmations are going to help with reprogramming your subconscious mind, completely shifting your mindset from not having to your mindset that anything that you desire in alignment with spiritual principles, in alignment with goodness, it can manifest for you now. Don't get me wrong. If you want to focus on the bad, more than likely you're going to get more so of the bad, but be very specific and very conscientious about what it is that you're wanting to bring forth. And this is why your visualizations, your goals, your manifestations should not be something you share with nobody. Okay? Keep it between you and the Most High. Keep it personal, because when you have outside thoughts and people's perspectives, oftentimes people can project onto you or your ideas of what it is that they may not have achieved. So cut all that out. All right? Ignore the naysayers, ignore the negativity, and in fact, believe that even when it comes to other people, even if it's something you don't see, this is where the faith comes in, according to 2 Corinthians 5:7. Faith, for we walk by faith, not by sight. Even if you don't literally see people at this current moment in your life supporting you, believe that people are going to support you. Sometimes it's why God allows you to be removed from certain people, because He's going to put in place others that are going to support you. All right, so believe and affirm. I have support from complete strangers. I'm supported in everything that I believe in. My gifts and my abilities make a way for me to exist in peace and happiness. I do not have to overexert myself as a woman. I live in alignment. I live in perfect peace. Like, those are a few affirmations just for an example, but get into the habit of radically accepting yourself, radically believing in yourself without a shadow of a doubt that it's going to be a lose-lose. Like, the mere fact that you have an idea of what it is you want for your life, like, you may not want to have a life that is with a lot of highs and lows. You don't want to have a life that you have feast and famine. You want to have a life that you enjoy, not a life you feel like you have to take a vacation from. Vacations are good, but you don't want to have a life that you feel you need to escape from. So you can do that by shifting your focus on visualizing. And so this is why it's going to be so important. Like, okay, I mentioned in some of my shares in regard to why it's important to separate yourself from the mindset of gossiping and things like that. Because a lot of us, that is a real burden. It's literally witchcraft, okay? Because instead of you focusing on yourself, you're focusing on bringing out others. So if you're someone that never resonated with you, it's okay. You're not supposed to resonate with that, but people will try to make you feel forced into that. So, as a replacement for not engaging in that type of low frequency behavior, focus on visualization. Focus on having stillness, quiet time to yourself, and really believe. Really change your mindset. Take the time to really think about everything that you want and desire, and visualize in your mind you experiencing all things as it's already happened. This could be in any type of thing that you're wanting to experience. And you'll begin to see that you're beginning to show up in your life as that.